Good morning, everyone. We're back with our gnomes. My gnome restoration project. This is video 2. I just wanted you to see how everything was coming along. I moved it to the garden, my back garden, on the deck, so because I think that I'm going to be using some materials here that probably should need a little bit of ventilation. So if you'll recall, I washed that our 30-year-old gnome that was broken, and then I used some of this outdoor cement, which just comes in a powder form, and you just add water and let it sit for a minute or two. And I used that, and I remember I put a support in for the a wire support in for the head, the top of the toque, because it had completely fallen off. So I made him a very sturdy and big toque, which of course I'm going to paint red. I fixed his nose. I fixed his beard right around here. And I put, his two hands had been broken off. And I created the two hands out of the outdoor cement. Now you're going to hear birds in the background here. We do have a whole bunch of crows. I wonder why, because I feed them. So don't worry about the sounds of the birds. Last video we had my diamond dove singing in the background. Now he's not singing right now. Probably because the crows are out, but he's in the solarium. Anyway, back to the gnomes. Now the little girl, I just painted her with the white acrylic paint. That's all I had to do. White acrylic paint for her, just to provide a nice background for the colors that I'm going to add, okay? And I'm going to do that with the gnome too, but the little man, but I wanted to show you what he looked like just with the cement, so you can see how I patched him. Now after I put the cement on, and it wasn't that easy, but I formed it. I let it sit for a while and formed it when it was just the right consistency, and then I let it dry overnight, and then I used heavy grade sandpaper to to sand the fingers down, and to create, I used a knife to create the indentations, just a dinner knife. And then after I finished it, and I let it, I sanded it, and then I vacuumed it with the vacuum cleaner to make sure I got all the dust off it. That's very important, got all the dust off it. And then I painted it with, sorry for the fingers here, I painted it with this, I put a coat of this grout sealer on it, which is just a white liquid sealer that you use for grout tile. Now I came up with this idea of the grout sealer myself, and I don't even know if it's going to work or not, to tell you the truth. But I thought I better put something on it because it's going to be outside, and I wanted something that was water resistant, that would seal it and also help to keep the appendages, such as the nose and the hands, on, so they don't fall off, because they're just sitting there. So I'm going to put another couple, and I put the grout sealer over the entire gnome to form an envelope over the whole body, hoping that that would hold the hands and the nose and the top and the beard on. But I'm going to be adding another coat of the white acrylic. I'm going to cover this gnome completely with the white acrylic, and then I'm going to put a coat of paint on. I'm going to put maybe several coats of the colored paint on him, acrylic paint. And then finally, after I'm finished that, my final act will be to cover the both gnomes after they're painted with this, which is a varathane, outdoor varathane. So I'm thinking, it says wood finish, water-based, outdoor. Well, I sometimes use different substances that maybe I haven't tried out, and maybe it's not the right. Maybe I should have got something more suitable for cement, but this is what I came up with. So there he is. I think he looks pretty good. I'm pleased with him. And when he's painted, he'll look good. Whether he lasts for another 30 years outdoors, well, I won't be around to see it if he doesn't. Thank you very much. It's Green Glow signing off for now. Bye for now.